Section 6, Server Management. In this section, Password Management, discovering some password management tools. ClamAV, installing an antivirus. Memory Time, let's secure your memory. Security Banner, cultivating a login security banner. And then IP spoofing, we'll learn how to prevent IP spoofing on our server. Password Management. It can be rather difficult to continuously remember different passwords for each site that you use, especially for your server. How can we fix this? You could write them down on paper. That's a major security flaw. So we're going to use a password manager tool. In Point, we're going to be using KeePass. Now we can properly install our KeePass manager by using our terminal and adding our repository, ppajtaylor/KeePass. We'll update the repository and then install KeePass 2. Once you successfully installed your KeePass manager, you can open up the GUI by going to your icons or your inventory, your applications, and then open up KeePass. And then you can set up a new database that's going to store your passwords. Now, personally, I'm not going to go through this because I won't use the password software because I'm not going to be on the web browsers on my server. If you're on a web browser on your server, that's very major vulnerabilities right there. Try to avoid going to your browser on your server.